Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Jack and Zill had 160 marbles altogether. Jack gave away 20 marbles to Zill. In the end, Jack has 3 times as many marbles as Zill. So, how many marbles did Jack have in the end? We have to find out. So, first of all, we'll assume that Jack has X marbles and Zill has Y marbles, and this we have assumed in the beginning. Now it is also given in the question that we can say that according to question we can write that the sum of the marbles that Jack and Zill have, that is x plus y, is 160. Let this be first equation. Now what happens? Jack gave 20 marbles to Zill. So we can say that now in the end what happens? Jack has 20 less marbles than beginning because he gave 20 to Zill. So x minus 20 marbles. Similarly, Zill will have y plus 20 marbles because 20 marbles is given by Jack to Zill. So y plus 20 marbles Zill have in the end. Now according to question, what we can say is, in the end it is given Jack has 3 times as many marbles as Zill. So x minus 20 is 3 times of y plus 20. This is the marble y plus 20 that Zill have. So let us simplify it. So after simplifying we'll get an equation x minus 3y as 80. Let this be second equation. Now after solving equation 1 and 2, we will get, we can write x as 3y plus 80. So this x plus y is 160. So from here we'll get 4y as 80, therefore y is 20. So y is the amount of marbles that Zill have in the beginning, but it is asked in the question that how many marbles did Jack has in the end. So Jack has x marbles. So in the end it has x minus 20 marbles. So we can find the value of x from here, that is 160 minus y. So 160 minus 20 will be equal to 140, and in the end Jack will have x minus 20 marbles. So Jack will have x minus 20 marbles. So x is 140. So 140 minus 20 is equal to 120. So 120 marbles Jack will have in the end. Now let's check the option. So 120 is option A. Hence we can say that the correct answer is option A.